How to change your Netflix password. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Netflix password on your mobile device. So the first thing you want to do is simply open your Netflix app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Now once you're logged into your Netflix account, you'll be taken to the profile space where you'll have to select any profile you want. And once you've done that, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and then simply tap on the option named account. Now you'll be taken to this page where if you look closely, you'll see the option named change password, which is right over here. So simply tap on it and now you'll be taken to this page where first of all you'll have to enter the current password of your Netflix account, and once you've entered your current password, simply enter a new password for your Netflix account which you want to change, and remember it must be between 6 and 60 characters. And once you've created a new password for your Netflix account, simply retype your new password in the box below. And if you want, you can sign out of Netflix on all of the devices, but if you don't, you can simply untick this option, and once you tap on save, which is right over here, your Netflix account's password will be successfully changed. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.